What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. It's your boy Mickey Mac. Today, I got another car product for you guys. I got the WeatherTech AVM 4-piece trim-to-floor floor mats. And these are basically 4 rubber mats, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and they're WeatherTech. Guess where I got them too? Costco. So basically, I'm going to show you what this is all about, and then I'm going to be trimming these mats up and be putting it in the car. They're trimmed to fit, which means these are more or less universal rubber mats that could fit any car or vehicle. They give you more or less extra rubber matting, and as you can see in these grooves, this is where you're supposed to more or less cut out the rubber mat to shape it to your floorboard in your vehicle. Taking a look at the front panel, it says WeatherTech 4-piece trim to fit floor mat, made in the USA, of course. Engineered to fit virtually any vehicle. Trim lines guide you to cut your custom fit. Patent Tech Grip 2 included to prevent shifting. Soft and flexible, yet tough enough to not curl or crack. Unique designs for both driver and passenger sides. 4-piece set includes semi-custom driver side, semi-custom passenger side, and 2 semi-custom rear mats. So 2 front mats and 2 rear mats. So now I'm going to take these mats out to the car and I'll meet you guys over there. Alright, so now we're in the car. Basically, I unpackage everything and put all the mats in their designated spots. 2 in the rear, 1 on the passenger side, and I have the driver's side mat in my lap as we speak. Just because I wanted to show you guys something with the driver's side mat. It comes with this Tech Grip 2 kit for the carpet. And basically, they're like these 2 little red discs, little circular discs that go on the bottom of the driver's side mat. As you can see right here, these little red spots, they snap in, and they're basically like these 2 little round spikes almost. They're very sharp spikes, and basically it's more or less to stake the driver's side rubber mat down, so that way when your feet are on it, it doesn't slide all around on the carpet. It basically keeps it firm and in place. So in my demonstration, I'm just going to be installing the driver's side floor mat, because after this, pretty much everything else is self-explanatory. So obviously, before anything, you basically want to place all the mats in their designated floor areas, 2 in the rear, 2 in the front. Here's what the Tech Grip 2 kit looks like, and they honestly look like big slices of pepperoni from a pizza or something. Take the driver's mat and put it on the floor to fit it. Also, I know they don't recommend it, but I am leaving the carpet floor mats down, as well as throwing the WeatherTech AVM mats on top of it. So I got the mat in, but as you can see right here, it's a little off. Still got some room to play with. That left side is a little high where the parking brake is, so obviously I'm going to have to trim that down. Also, the mats have pretty thick rubber, so I recommend using some heavy-duty scissors. So I just cut this corner off right here, and each time I cut, I like to put the mat back in to double check the fitting of the floor mat. Just cut another piece off. So now I'm happy with how the mats are seated to the floor. Everything's sitting flush. So now I'm going to install the Tech Grip 2 kit spikes pepperonis. So you just flip them over like this. Take this end and put it in this hole. These spikes are very sharp, even though they are plastic. And once you hear them snap in, they are in. Do the same for the other side. And that's in as well. And then you just install it back, press the mat down. And yeah, guys, that's really about it, honestly. The driver's side mat is the only one with those 2 Tech Grip kit spikes, pepperoni things. All the other ones are pretty much self-explanatory. You just put the mat in, trim around the edges, make sure everything fits and sits flush. You don't want anything bending up. I like to go by how the original carpet mats are put in. So that's why, me personally, I prefer to leave the carpet mats still installed in the car and put the WeatherTech mats on top of it and just go based on the outline of the carpet mat. Not gonna lie, these are pretty cheap mats and they're great. I got them in another vehicle of mine and I absolutely love them. Yes, I just double checked on Costco.com. You could have 4 WeatherTech grade rubber mats for your vehicle, any vehicle, for $32. I am not kidding. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Rumble, at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Guys, I also want to say thank you for 1,600 subscribers. Yes, that's right. The Rev Room has hit 1,600 subscribers. Can't believe it. This channel is growing rapidly fast. I appreciate all the feedback that's happening and how many people we are connecting to through our videos. And listen, stay tuned because there's plenty more to come. Mickey Mac is out.